Well, welcome to Hangers. We're a large-scale cleaner. If you've never been in one before, this is kind of how most of them operate, but we have 8 Hy-Vees that we serve. We also have 3 stores of our own, but all the clothes come back here to be cleaned, pressed, processed, and then they'll go back out to the customers. Hangers has been around since we opened our doors in January of 2004. I'm a lifelong resident of Kansas City and worked at Sprint for 13 years and did not like the dry cleaning that I was getting provided to me, and lost my mind and decided that I could do it better myself. About 2/3 of our business is pickup and delivery. We go to people's homes and businesses twice a week and we'll pick up dirty bags of clothes, process them, and then return them back. So if we pick up on a Monday, we'll return your clothes clean on Thursday. If we pick up Thursday, they'll come back the following Monday. So it's just an ongoing cycle. So the bulk of our employees operate out of this facility, and that's why we have Western First Aid providing the goods that they do. When we originally chose Western First Aid, we realized that we had a need for some first aid in our plant. We have a lot of employees here, a lot of moving parts, a lot of hot equipment with steam. So we had a lot of minor burns and scrapes and things like that. So we felt there was a need to provide some first aid to our employees. And so when we brought Western in, it's just been a burden that's been taken off my back as an entrepreneur. I'd rather focus my efforts on things that are adding more value, that are our core competency, growing our core business, versus always worrying about first aid, having to run to the store to buy Band-Aids or whatever it is, burn, gel, things like that. So we brought in Western, and they're awesome. I mean, they keep the first aid kit supplied with all the materials that we need. They know what kind of a business we have. They know that we're probably more likely to need burn gel than probably an office type environment. So all those kinds of things, they're excellent at recommending new products for us that our employees might need. And obviously our business is critical as far as production and efficiency. So keeping our employees productive all the time, or as much time as we can, is critical for us, and that's what Western helps us do by providing the service that they do.